Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a Webe Friends doll, and it was Chris, now it's Chloe, and she's beautiful. She has eyes, see the eyes, and then she's got eyelashes, eyebrows, and beautiful hair. Then she has a rainbow thingy, whatever it's called. Then like a green things, watering can, because of all the accessories. She has earring holes. If you haven't noticed that, let me show you. See? And I don't know how much she was. I don't know how much. Let's turn it over and you can have a look what things that she has. What you can buy in that. You can buy this tent. That's her. Then we got all of this stuff I got with the set. That's all about her and all about her here too. And let's turn it back over. I'm going to tell you a little bit about her before we unbox her. Her birthday is 14th of October. Her favourite colour is green. Her favourite animal is a bee. Her favourite food is lemonade icy poles. Now I'm going to turn her around. Let's unbox her. This is what you get in the box. You get a doll, you get a shovel rake, some pot plants, and a, what's it called? Watering can, and some sunglasses. So, she has red bits on her shoes, I mean. White bit there, red bit there. Then, green pants with some holes in it. A top with a rainbow on it. Red bit there, white bit with a rainbow on it. Then her fingernails just have like that, see? Another one the same, so you don't see that one. Then her hair is like a orangey, not a light colour, but a dark orange. Then her mouth is lips, they're pink lips. And then she has freckles, brown eyes, real eyelashes, and see there? Eyebrows. That's about all. Then there's the back of her. See? This is the watering can. It's pink. And I don't think it actually works. It might do. No, I don't think so. I can't see the hole through it. Might do, but then you pour the flower stuff on. And it's pink. Do you see it? Then we have a shovel, which is like they're all blue, by the way. But there's a shovel. There's another shovel, which is blue. And we have a rake, which is blue. And it's got a bit there and there. Then we have some pot plants right here, see? Pot plants. Oh, and it has brown with green, like pot plants. This one has brown with like the colour green on it. Exactly the same. That's about it. Oh, and sunglasses, I nearly forgot. These are sunglasses which come with it. You can actually turn them up so she can wear them or not wear them. It's up to you, but that's all she comes with. Overall, she's a good doll, but she's not as good as the Forever dolls because she doesn't have painted nails. See, no painted nails. Then she does not have no knickers on. Do you see? No knickers. So yeah. See? She has a bald part there. Yeah. It's good for the price, but not as good quality, but. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.